Hi everybody, you're watching NDTV Swirlster. Today I have with me the Philips Satinel Epilator. It is a corded compact epilator that comes with a cap for the sensitive areas and is meant to remove hair over the legs and sensitive areas for smooth skin for weeks to come. I have it right here with me. So keep watching this video as I unbox this product and tell you a little bit more about its features. The Philips Satinel Epilator comes in a cardboard box like this one. It mentions here that it has a sensitive area cap. At the side of the box are more details about this particular epilator. It mentions that it has an efficient epilation system, 2 speed settings, a washable head, and is meant for corded use. Now at the back again are more details about the product, and I am going to unbox it finally and show you what's inside. Now first up is the actual epilator itself. This is what it looks like. It comes in a plastic bag. In front are the speed settings. There are 2 of them. When you need to adjust them, you push this upwards for the first setting and right on top for the second. This is the head of the epilator, and at the back is a ridged body so that it can be firmly held in the hand. This is the charger for the epilator. It has a wire and an adapter. The other 2 accessories are the brush to clean the head as well as a guard for the epilator head, which is like so. Finally, included inside is a card for its warranty as well as a booklet detailing how to use this particular epilator. Now you saw from the unboxing all the different parts that come in this Philips Satinel Epilator pack. This is the actual epilator itself, which comes with the sensitive